Top 10 Most Playful Dog Breeds in the World. 1. Boxer Dog. The Boxer is a playful, sweet-natured dog who loves being around with kids. High energy. An easygoing, curious, energetic, happy dog breed that's perfect for a playmate. 2. English Springer Spaniel. This kind of breed has a lot of energy, including a fondness of playing in the outdoors. Do activities like agility training, hiking, tracking, and fetching for this dog. 3. Corgi. A Corgi is a breed that's continually active and playful. He loves playing with kids and also in outdoors. 4. Jack Russell Terrier. Size doesn't matter. This dog is one of the high-energy dogs on our list. The JRT is a vibrant, playful dog that loves swimming, agility, hiking, running, flyball, and just about anything that involves the use of their energy. 5. Papillon. This smart and cute little Papillon loves to be entertained, so better give time to play with this small dog or else he'll find the way to entertain himself. Take him to a long walk in the park or neighborhood. He'll surely excel in dog sports too. 6. Golden and Labrador Retriever. One of the most popular dog breeds, these two breeds are filled with playful energy and fun-loving, which make them a wonderful family buddy. Both of them enjoy playing outdoors with the family. 7. Portuguese Water Dog. As what the name implies, they love being in the water. A beach companion or your swimming buddy anytime. 8. Australian Shepherd. The high-energy Australian Shepherd desires to play constantly to have a cheerful life. They are quick to react to whatever tasks given to them, such as fetching newspapers, playing soccer, assisting in the garden, and whatever fun games that come to your mind. 9. Brittany Dog. The Brittany Dog is always ready to almost anything, only if it's interacting with their playful side. They love to hike, play fetch, run, tug of war, and do other activities. 10. Dalmatian breed. The ancestors of this breed are known to be performers in the circus with some playful tricks, and also they are once coach pulling dogs. That's why if you're searching for a high-energy, goofy buddy, Dalmatian is the best for you.